the important thing, the importance which we should give to that, the thing is creative skilling. Means if we study regularly and if we study hardly, so we will gain knowledge, but we will not gain our creativity. We cannot gain our problem solving skills. If you observe in the world, means in the India, there are many companies that do not offer the job on the basis of your degree. They will be able to offer you on your degree, but there is a more importance for skills. I hope you will know about it, that the degree does not matter in this era. Degree is just for profession. That the the letter that will give you profession is called as degree. That can be anything which will be learned by you. So the importance of MPSC, the importance of other competitive exams, they are very important for us. They give us many of the opportunities for jobs, for any other working jobs. So there are many things to tell on this topic, but some main considerations I have spoken of in front of you, and after me, he will express his thoughts.
Absolutely, friends. I'm totally appreciative to that. So, first of all, friends, my name is Utkarshi Sandeep Kharode and I am speaking in front of you. Now, I am in 11th class and I am working in Nagar Parishad Tellara. And I am a current student of ADSR Easy English spoken classes here. So, our topic is two lines: what is the importance of MPSC, UPSC, and how we can achieve our goals in it. So, according to me, friends, for achieving your goals in MPSC, UPSC exams or in other competitive exams, the experiences, the daring, the stage daring, the confidence, and there are too many topics that help you to improve your confidence level, to improve yourself more and more, and the practice is most important for you. When you are practicing for yourself, you are developing yourself more and more, and when you are developing yourself more and more, absolutely you can achieve your goal. And when you achieved it, you can build up your more confidence and progress in it. Progress is most important, friends. When you are progressing yourself, absolutely you can achieve your goal. So that's no matter it is MPSC or UPSC or other competitive exams. In this modern era, there are too many fields you have. Not only MPSC, UPSC, but the AI field is also developing in front of you. The AI field and the other also, the in the modern era, computers and the supercomputers, the AI that are developing too fastly. So smart work is more than hard work now. So what is your opinion about
Yes,
it, my
I'm
friend?
totally appreciative. So, hello friends, first very good evening to all of you. My name is Vijay and now this time we are discussing about why MPSC and UPSC important. Okay, so friends, in our life, MPSC and UPSC is most important. You know friends, MPSC, Maharashtra Public Service Commission, lots of people do preparation of MPSC, but lots of people, many less people clear the UPSC exam and MPSC exam. Why? Because for if you have to do study of MPSC and UPSC exam, so for that you need to do consistency, and with the consistency you have to positive is important, because if you have not positiveness, so you cannot do clear MPSC and UPSC exam. Suppose if you have positiveness, so you can do any work, and lots of people thinking I have not the time and I cannot do the study. But according to that, if you do proper time management, so you can make success person in your life. Suppose you have to do study of the MPC area, so for that you do 8 hours for study, 8 hours for sleep, and other activity also. So this is your time management. If you make perfect time management, so you can make successful person in your life and you can do clear MPSC and UPSC exam. And and friends, if you have to clear MPSC and UPSC exam, so for that you need to proper guidance. Means when you get proper guidance, so you can make successful person in your life. Suppose your teacher give you a guidance, so that's why we're thinking. Just to be 80%, I know I have lots of importance. I know what I have to do, but this is not important. Friends. If any person give you guidance and knowledge, so you should take that knowledge, because that person has experience from than you. So what is your opinion?
I'm totally appreciate all of you. Firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Siddhant Tade. I am the current student of ADSR English program classes, and I am also current student of GK College. And I am current students of Zondalekar sir. And thank you to Zondalekar sir who organized this this program and who invited to us for that. Thank you to, and also thank you to all staffs. So our question is our question is what is the importance to preparation MPC and MPC UPSC. So I want to divide it into 3 to 4 parts. What is the importance of the learning? So first of all, you need to motivation. So without the motivation, you can crack that you can crack that examination. And as well as just like when we get a motivation to another person, so depend on us how can we set that motivation, and how can we set our mindset to preparation MPC. So as well as our discipline means what? Discipline means just like we are discipline means the my friend told also the consistency. Just like we are preparing daily, we are daily studying to 16 hours today. So because of because of those points, our examination, our preparation is too easy, and because of that you can crack that examination with easily. So for that for that situation, for that fighting that exam, so that is the 2 points is the most important point. So what can you say?
So I appreciate with you all. All of my friends express their thoughts according to their experience. So I am telling that anything does not matter. जसं की आपल्याला सरांनी सांगितलं की आपल्याला मनापासून समाधान आणि आनंदी कसं राहावं हे समजणार. हाऊ वी कॅन बी अ स्माइल पर्सन, हाऊ वी कॅन बी अ happy person, and we are satisfied with our heart, we are satisfied with our career and all of the things, then we are a real successful person. Because as the sir told before in the speech that anything does not matter, only our study, our home, our relatives, our family matters, and our marks matters for only for our knowledge, not for our living life. To live a life in the dependent of marks is not a good decision. So it is very important to consider that every competitive exam is important and it matters a lot. So after this,
Absolutely, you are absolutely right, Furkan, and I am totally appreciative with you. But recently, my brother said that the consistency is most important here, friends. Because when you are consistent on your single goal, so absolutely you get success. And when you are consistent, so absolutely you are already set your goal. So for preparing for the exam, the goal setting is most important. When you are set your proper goal in your life, so you see the proper path what you has to achieve in your life. And when you know that what we have to achieve, so absolutely you can start something for achieving that goal. You know your path, what you has to do and what you are doing now. And when your path is clear, so absolutely anybody can't stop you for achieving your goal.
Yes, I'm totally appreciate with my friend. Suppose you're thinking, friends, I want to become an IAS officer, I want to become a PSI officer, but your family members say you want to become an IAS officer. But we are not interested in that field. Suppose we are interested in photography and other field, you are interested in drawing field, but that time your family members said to you want to become an IAS officer. So according friends, if you are interested that field, you do that field, you go in that field. Suppose lots of people think my father was IS officer, so I want to become an IS officer. So this is not beneficial. Friends, according to friends, if you do that work you have interest. And lots of people think I cannot do this work. So friends, if you have positiveness, so with positiveness you can make successful in your life. Suppose lots of people, suppose now this time we do study of English subject. Suppose you take any English poem and next time you study, you reach first lesson. Suppose second time next time you think how many pages are remaining in that book when my syllabus was not complete, my exam is near. So for that you need positiveness. Suppose you have positiveness, so you can make successful in your life and you can clear this exam. So what can you say?
I am totally appreciative all of you. All of you are telling, you are told us lot of things which can help you. So as you say the positiveness, and as well as that thing the positiveness, as well as our mindset should be strong. If your mindset should be strong, so you can do anything. You can think beyond any person imagination. So for that motivation, discipline, consistency, as well as positive mindset, and as well as our concept. and the learning things is also also important for the preparation. When if you are the preparing MPSC UPSC, so obviously you are the well educated and you got a lot of stocks of knowledge. So that knowledge you can use in the any field. If you are failed at that if you are failed that exam, so not problem. You have lot of knowledge source, so you can use anything. If you are preparing that, if you have not knowledge, so it means you can do that, you can pass that exam, nothing. So if you are doing anything, just like any class teaching also, so for that knowledge helps to at the moment. So because of that those preparation is as well as important. And when we are doing that preparation with the mind, so it is most helpful for us, for not only for ourselves, for our family, for our society, for our village. So because of that you are not preparing for yourself.
According to my brother,
Yeah.
the consistency is very important. As of example, if we have a question paper, we have taken a question paper and we observe the last question which is very hard. So the positive thinking, the positive confidence will be left off. So we want the positive confidence for our life to complete our goal, to achieve our success, and to complete our tasks which are very hard, which people say that it is a impossible thing. But the impossible thing does not matter, and your study, the thing which can matter for your study, for your career.
But according to me, Furkan, that not only positive mindset is important here. According to me, you have to firstly deserve for it, then you desire. Firstly deserve and then desire. Make yourself perfect for it. Then you can
You have to say that we should be suitable for our career.
absolutely. When you are suitable for that career, when you have interest in it, when you are doing proper study you needed, means you are preparing for MPSC, UPSC and you are doing study for only 2 hours. So you not deserve it. You not deserve that exam. You
And for UPSC exam, you have to do on the hard work, you have to do smart work also. Suppose lots of people think I do only 6 hours study, but lots of people do study 10 hours, but they cannot do clear the MPSC UPSC exam. But some people do study only 6 hours and 8 hours, they can clear this exam.
for
Because
that, my friend, time management is important.
Time management.
When you manage your time properly, absolutely you achieve your goals and you get a proper time for your studies also. For that you can manage your time and according to me there is a main point, that is meditation. When you're meditating for yourself, you are making your mind fresh, and with a fresh mind you can do absolutely good studies here.
Right. It means if you have desire, if you have desire to that time, if you have desire to preparation that exam. If some of time our parents always wanted to do that preparation, you can prepare to MPSC, UPSC. But if you are not desire, if you are not that motivation to do that exam, so you cannot.
Yes, you mean to say that if he does not deserve, many of the students make mistake. Many of the students make mistake about not deserving the career, not deserving the subject, and they are failed in the exam. So this is not their mistake. This is the psychological mistake. So lastly, we are stopping our.
Lastly, friends, I want to suggest you that firstly deserve for your goal, set your goal properly, do some struggles for it, because struggles are most important in your life. And when you are doing that things, absolutely you get success in your life. Manage your time, do meditation, make your mind fresh here, and enjoy your life with your studies and with your goals. I think, friends, this is enough for us today. Thanks.